work on a variety of different types of quilts to kind of figure out what my style or what I liked the best. And I found out love crazy patch and I love embroidery, and I love to incorporate both of them. But this is my crazy patch quilt. It was a lot of fun. I wanted to show you the crazy patch tree skirt that I made, and it looks really nice when all the gifts are not placed around it. It looks pretty festive, and I'll take it out and show you what it looks like. So crazy patch is great for all your scraps, and I happen to have quite a few of the Christmas fabrics that I put together in crazy patch form, and then I backed it, and I use it every year. And you can put all kinds of embellishments on it. My little Zoe girl likes it too. Say hello, Zoe. Zoe! Today we're going to be finishing up a baby blanket that I started a while back. And it's crazy patch, 6-inch strips. It's pretty easy, pretty manageable. And in this case, I've got some bare inserts, as you can see, with some crazy patch tees on each side, and that's what we'll be working on today, all the way around and finishing it up. So the baby blanket is done. Turned out just great. I love doing baby quilts, and I really love crazy patch. So add them together, and it's a super sweet project. Well, Zoe's bed turned out so cute. It was well worth the effort, and she loves it.